Hi, hello friends, nice to see you here in 2019. Hope you had a great holiday season and hope you got to do some nice gift unboxing yourself during the Christmas time. So let's start with this year with this really new and great and exciting stuff from our own manufacturing MSC Technologies. This is a really big box. And we have here SMARC module starter kit, so let's get on to it. So first of all, when opening the box, you see the quick starting guide manual. Then you'll see again this nice pink wrapping here, which is ESD protected. Let's put it back here. The first you will see, after removing that first layer, you will see the starter kit motherboard. Let's open it up. It's an ESD sealed bag also. Here we go. Here we go. This is the mini ITX sized starter kit motherboard for SMARC module. As you can see, you can place module here in the middle, and there's all basic connectors that you will need when you will start testing your module and your system. There are a couple of Ethernet ports, USBs, display port, HDMI, VGA, RS232, and audio ports, and there's also PCI Express lane and SATA place, and also the power connector, for example. Let's see what else we have here. After removing the another layer and opening the second secret compartment in this box, you will find a lot of stuff here. AC adapters for different AC plugs all over the world. This is for Canada, and this is for the UK, for example. And here is power cord for standard European AC power supply. Next, we have here in the small box, you will find an actual AC/DC power supply. So this is the power supply that you can plug into that starter kit motherboard. Let's continue. There's also a USB stick where you can install your own software and any other applications you want to test with the starter kit. It's also included. Then one of the most important parts, of course, is actual SMARC module. So here you see, this is the module that you can place here in the board itself. In this case, this is an ARM module. There's also place for SD card, and there's some onboard RAM and some onboard eMMC memory. Good. And then we also have some screws that you can attach that SMARC module. And then we also have here, let's see what we have. Let's open it up. Here we have actually also 4 GB SD card that you can also use when testing your software and installing your software on your system. And finally, we have the last item here. And here we open it up. Let's see what we have. Here we have 2 heatsinks for the CPU of the module. Another one is for Intel CPUs, x86 CPUs, and another one is for ARM CPUs. So you can use both type of modules with this starter kit. So here we are. As you can see, a lot of stuff, a lot of things to play around Thanks for watching and see you again next time. Bye bye.